Shoes are all Phylong in the shoes. Why did it happen twice? I see Phylong is wearing shoes. Okay, 2 more tricks, right? What kind of flowers are you flying about? I want to say Phylong is in the shoes. You know this trick, right? 1 move to fly the dragon in the shoe. I will buy Phylong shoes. Come. I don't know if I can't get into the car. He'll be fine soon. I don't believe it anymore. You continue to attack him. I drink. Phylong in shoes. Let me see how long you can fly. I can't fly today. You see, if you learn Tai Chi, I can't lose.